morning everybody, welcome to Bayside's Cooking School.
Good morning.
We're here this morning to do your taco burger.
That's right.
Now, we're calling it a taco burger because really it just has some type things that you would traditionally put on a taco or nachos. So the patty is going to be very similar to the one that you did in your classic barbecue burger last week. And if you haven't done it, that's fine because it's going to be very easy to do. So I'm going to put my 125 grams of mince.
That's right, 125 grams of mince. And the only difference is that we're going to add some extra spices to the meat.
Okay.
Where last week we just added salt and pepper.
Alright, so what are those spices?
So we've got half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and a teaspoon of coriander that's mixed with salt and pepper in that little bowl there.
Beautiful.
So we pre-measured it just to make it easier for the dam.
Yeah, okay, fantastic. So I'm just going to pop it in there.
And mix it through your...
And somehow a little bit of star anise has snuck in there. I don't know what I did with that.
That's alright.
So I'm going to mush it all up. And remember last week we didn't add any breadcrumbs or egg or anything. And I could see that you guys made it and it turned out absolutely fine. So yeah, very nice, simple, cheap recipe to do. And when it's cheap, that doesn't mean it's bad. It just means that it goes fast. So if you're making, yeah, absolutely. If you're making these for your family, you can make up a whole spice mix. And just be careful when you're multiplying quantities of spice. It doesn't always work out that if you times it by 4 that you have 4 teaspoons of something. So just be wary of that because we've had it in the past.
It can be a bit too spicy then.
It can.
Overwhelming flavours.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So once again, I'm going to pat out my patty to the size of my burger bun. I'm going to take a look, bearing in mind that it will shrink a little bit. And it doesn't matter if it's thin because that means it will cook faster. And I don't know about you all, but it was fine. It didn't break apart last week. It was quite easy to do. So I've warmed up my pan and it was on 8 and then
down a little bit
yeah, and this has turned it down because we don't want it to burn. And then we're going to put it on. And remember we did it once, we turned it once last week. So we're going to do the same this week. And then we'll be back to assemble the burger. Alright, so our burger is nicely cooked. I've only turned it once and now I'm going to assemble my burger. So on the bottom I'm going to place my burger and I can smell it. It smells very nice. And I'm going to shred my lettuce. So I've just got 2 lettuce leaves here. You can use 1 iceberg lettuce and you don't even have to shred it if you don't want to. So I'm going to pop it there. Now the recipe calls for jalapeno. I've just got pickled jalapeno. You don't have to use jalapeno if you don't like it, if you don't have it, and you never think you guys will eat it. That's totally fine. I've also buttered my bread. And you didn't need to see me butter bread, so it's buttered on each side. Now, I'm going to use avocado, which is beautiful at the moment. I've just got a quarter. So they're about $2 at the moment. So between 4 burgers, that's only 50 cents worth of avocado on each burger, which is pretty economical, and they're lovely and big, so you get quite a bit.
Value for money there.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've just mushed that on, and then I'm going to put some sour cream on there as well. Spread it on. Now there is a little bit more sour cream that I have there, but I think I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons. Yes.
So yeah, a quarter cup would probably be enough for about 4 burgers.
Yeah, I think so. I've also got some cheese. Now I don't have a slice of cheese because we didn't have any, so I'm just substituting grated. And because it's grated, I might put it on the top here because I don't want it to fall over when I assemble the burger and I'll lose all my cheese. So, and I'm not even going to use too much of this either. It's almost like a seasoning. We've got quite a lot. And then I've got some salsa, which I bought, which is a Coles brand salsa. And it's absolutely fine. It's in the jar. It's about $2, $2.50, that much. So you can use that on lots of different things, not just these burgers. So make sure if you do buy it, that you use it on other things as well. And I might just pop it on the top here, turn it around, spread it around a little bit, and then I'm done. I'm going to put my top on my burger, flip it over, hooray!
There we go,
Made it
beautiful.
quite successfully.
Alright,
And then,
bring the camera up. That's
thank you, miss. We've got our taco burger. There we go. It's looking pretty good. And that's it. Bon appetit!